Hello, my dear children. Very good morning. You're most welcome in class 11th accountancy. In previous video, we have studied or we have learned the meaning of the accounting. Yes, today we have to study the objectives and function of accounting as well as accounting cycle. My dear children, I R.R. Tripathi from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar is going to explain connecting the items with your real life. You can see just happenings. You are doing such types of the process in your real life also. It seems now the meaning of the accounting is the process. This one is an art this one is process of identifying, recording, summarizing, analyzing, classifying all the business transactions. You know it very well. And whatever the items recorded in the books of account which can be measured in the terms of money. Remember, it has been explained. Now, the characteristics of accounting, just one thing I would like to explain before you. Accounting is an art as well as science. How can we prove this one? First, we have to know the exact meaning of art. Art is a technique, tools and technique adopted, implemented by the persons, by the rules to attaining the चेरिस्ड गोल. मतलब कला वह चीज होता है जो तकनीक हम किसी भी चीज को प्री डिटरमाइंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को प्राप्त करने के लिए पूर्व नियोजित उद्देश्य जो होता है उसे प्राप्त करने के लिए जो हम तकनीक, जो तरीका, जो मेथड, जो स्ट्रेटजी हम अपनाते हैं उसे ही हम कला कहते हैं. As it is proved that accounting is the process. Accounting is the art of recording, identifying, classifying, summarizing all the business transactions. So it is proved that the accounting is the process of identifying. You know it very well. So it is proved that accounting is art. Because of that, whatever the tools and technique adopted by the accountant to achieve or to attain the predetermined goal, predetermined objective of the organization, of the enterprise, of the business. That's why the accounting is an art. Science, now come to the point science. Science, systematic knowledge of anything is called science. Just having the organized body based on some principles and rules So, how accounting will be science? Now, in accounting is the process of identifying. Just the accounting process also based on the organized body, set rules, set policies, general accepted by all the institutions. That's why it is science. Slow motion, just I am explaining. In Hindi you can find this one, my dear. आप ये जानते हैं कैसे अकाउंटिंग जो है, हमारा लेखांकन जो है एक कला है और एक विज्ञान भी है। कला आप जानते हैं जो तकनीक हम किसी भी पूर्व नियोजित उद्देश्य को प्राप्त करने के लिए जो तकनीक लगाते हैं उसे हम कला कहते हैं। तो अकाउंटिंग प्रोसेस, अकाउंटिंग भी एक प्रकार की कला है। वह तकनीक हम अपना पूर्व नियोजित जो उद्देश्य होता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का, जो हमारे कॉरपोरेट वर्ल्ड का, उसे प्राप्त करने के लिए जो तकनीक हम अकाउंटिंग प्रोसेस करते हैं, अपनाते हैं, वो अकाउंटिंग हुआ। तो इसलिए अकाउंटिंग कला हो गई। किसी भी वस्तु का क्रमबद्ध ज्ञान, मतलब पूरी तरह से एक पॉलिसी, एक नीति के ऊपर जो निर्भर होता है वो विज्ञान कहलाता है। सिस्टमेटिक ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बॉडी ऑफ सिस्टमेटिक नॉलेज विज्ञान होता है। तो जो अकाउंटिंग प्रोसेस है वो भी, उसका भी सेट रूल्स है, सेट पैटर्न है। उसी के आधार पर हम अकाउंटिंग प्रोसेस करते हैं। अपना कोई आप उसमें नहीं डाल सकते जो जनरल एक्सेप्टेड है, स्वीकार्य है हर जगह, उसे ही हम अकाउंटिंग प्रोसेस के अंतर्गत रखते हैं। तो ये जान लीजिए कि अकाउंटिंग कला भी है और विज्ञान भी है। मतलब आप दोनों चीज पढ़ रहे हैं, आर्ट साइंस भी पढ़ रहे हैं और साइंस भी पढ़ रहे हैं। जस्ट कंटेनिंग सम सेट रूल्स। Now come to the point, objectives. Why the objectives means उद्देश्य। ये जो उद्देश्य होता है, हम अकाउंटिंग प्रोसेस क्यों करते हैं? Why do we do the accounting process? What's the reason behind it doing such process? Main objectives just to keep the systematic record of all business transactions. With the help of accounting process, all the transactions made during the assessment year, every record can be kept in the books of account in a systematic way, in a systematic manner. एक सही ढंग से जिस तरह से किया जाता है उस तरह से उसमें हमारा अकाउंटिंग जो है हेल्प करता है, सहायता करता है। ये इस तरह का रख रखाव करता है। हम अपने विद द हेल्प ऑफ द अकाउंटिंग वी कैन कीप आवर transactions record in a proper manner, in a chronicle order. Just all the transactions are recorded in the books of account. Simple way. Let it go the bookish language, my dear. क्या होता है आप देखेंगे, अगर जो थिंक करेंगे कि हम एक ऑर्डर में, एक क्रम में, एक क्रमबद्ध तरीके से हम अपना रिकॉर्ड रखें, तो हम किस डेट पर क्या हो, कौन सा ट्रांजैक्शन हुआ, किस प्रकार का ट्रांजैक्शन हुआ, क्लासिफाई किए, सब ये आर्ट है, तकनीक है। तो उसमें जो होता है हमारा अकाउंटिंग का ऑब्जेक्टिव्स होता है, जो वो उद्देश्य, मेन उद्देश्य जो होता है, दैट इज द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ द अकाउंटिंग, कीपिंग द सिस्टमैटिक रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ ऑल द बिजनेस ट्रांजैक्शंस। Second, to calculate profit and loss by preparing the financial statement, the profit and loss can be ascertained, just showing the true and fair view of the organization. Because of just the having the systematic record of the transactions, we can prepare the financial statement, and through the financial statement we can ascertain the profit and loss of the organization. I mean to say the financial performance of the business organization. So, to calculate profit and loss, how to calculate? Just the accounting process tells us. Third one, to ascertain the financial position by preparing the balance sheet. One of the two statements are prepared, income statement and balance sheet. Through the balance sheet, we can ascertain the financial position of the organization. Financial position of the organization can be ascertained with the help of accounting. Remember, how much assets, for example, just providing the example, giving the example, this one is the burning example. Whether you involved in business, think about yourself. You are the director of the any organization, and how much assets, liabilities, capital invested by the organization, what is the return. Knowing the things by preparing the balance sheet, the record of the assets, record of outstandings, accrued income, unaccrued income, advances, loan, means liabilities, everything we can ascertain by preparing the financial statement by preparing the balance sheet of the organization. So it tells, and to ascertain the progress of the business year to year. Because of that, assess at the end of the year, at the end of the assessment year, the financial statement is prepared. So year to year, we can ascertain whether the organization fall in growth or degrowth, and what is the deficiency we can find out because of all the information provided by the accounting process. Whether preparing the financial statement we can ascertain. To prevent and detect errors and fraud. It is not possible, my dear, to keep in mind everything. So, by having the such record of the transaction, we can ascertain, we can prevent the and detect the errors and fraud, whatever the fraudulent practice or unfair practice taken shape in the organization by the employees, just we can ascertain in very easy way, containing all the information through the accounting process. So and so on, many other and functions of accounting, maintaining complete and systematic record. What's the functions? जो इसका फंक्शन है, ये ऑपरेट क्या करता है? सबसे पहला काम तो ये है कि ये हमारे सारे बिजनेस ट्रांजैक्शंस को मेंटेन करता है, उसे सिस्टमेटिक ढंग से प्रस्तुत करता है. कम्युनिकेटिंग द फाइनेंशियल रिजल्ट टू वेरियस पार्टीज. दूसरा दूसरा फंक्शन क्या होता है, बट थ्रू द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट वेदर प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एंड फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन, फाइनेंशियल परफॉर्मेंस just provided by the organization to the users, various parties such as creditors of the organization, debtors of the organization, lenders of the organization, as well as the government also and the management body also. Just through the record it can be ascertained. Next one, protecting the assets of the business. How can we protect the assets of the business? This way we can protect the assets of the business by having the systematic record of all assets and liabilities of the business organization. We can protect them, we can revalue them, and this way we can protect the assets. And providing assistance to management with the help of financial statement prepared by the accountant or the organization. We can assist the management to take decision, planning, controlling, directing of the organization. It helps. And next one, compliance of legal needs. This one is the evidence of the organization. Legal evidence of the organization, whether through the government and whatever the just through the financial statement, we can ascertain the tax, value added tax, income tax and other tax, whatever the tax imposed by the government, just we can ascertain through the financial statement. This one is the main function of the accounting. Next, fixing responsibilities. Fixing responsibilities. It also fixes the responsibilities of every department established in the organization. Just like the sales department, production department, purchase department, and so on, or personal department. So remember this one, my dear. The function of the accounting. So this one is the function of the accounting and objectives through this video. Just try to listen it carefully and observe, go through the books, whatever the headings given, whatever the items given in the book, you can easily understand all the items, all the things. आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि जैसे ही आपके चारों तरफ हो रहा है। अगर जो पर्सनली इंटैक्ट करते हैं, आप इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, और तो आप कहीं इंटैंगल नहीं होंगे, आप तुरंत उसमें बेहतर ढंग से अपने आप को इन्वॉल्वमेंट पाएंगे. बी प्रैक्टिकल एंड यू कैन डू वेरी easy, very simple way you can understand the fact of the accounting function and objectives. Thank you very much.